Hello everyone. So if you want to disable a SIM pin on Android phone, here's how to do that. First of all, you're to open up your settings. So let's open them up, scroll down to your settings. There you are. Now we're gonna scroll down and locate our security and privacy section. Let's choose it. So here, we gotta find our more security and privacy. Here, locate your SIM lock. There it is. This is the option what we need. If you're gonna open it up, uh, so it depends on the number of SIMs you have. I use Android which supports only one SIM, so there's option only for one SIM. Usually there's a SIM 1 and SIM 2 slot. So to turn off the SIM lock, let's tap on the switch near lock SIM, and now we gotta enter our password. SIM password, press OK. If you forgot your SIM password, usually by the default is 1234 1111 or 0000. Basically, that's it. Now our SIM lock is turned off, so we can take the SIM off and put it back. However, if you perform any operations with this SIM, for example, turning the SIM lock back or turning it off, you need to always remember exactly the same pin. This is a little trick. So if you want to turn it back on, simply tap on the switch, enter your PIN code again, and basically now you have your SIM lock back on. And that's how it works. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel. Do not forget your SIM pin. It's essential.